All right, part two of the testing of the air brake unit, air brake system on the 1986 International, the white truck. The parking valve did come off, off, and up, up. It did come up, as it should, and if I try to press it back down, it just comes up again. So, now that happened with only after both tanks were completely depleted. So, I don't exactly know if that's as it should. I do suspect that the rear brakes are a bit seized. Actually, they were pretty seized at one point. So what could be happening is that the springs from the air brakes are already retracted, but they're still there in the lines or something like that. Not 100% sure. Not sure at all exactly, actually. Does this thing come out? Yeah, it does. Maybe that's what was draining the battery. Was it pressed in like that or not? But I know the brakes work. And even the parking brakes, when I press it to apply, it does brake the truck. Maybe not as strong as it should. But again, I'm pretty sure that the rear brakes need some adjustment. I was able to adjust the front brakes, but not the rear brakes because, like I said, they're kind of seized. So I might take another look at it, but I think they will require some overhauling or some cleaning. All right, so yeah, that's the end of that.